Good morning, families and friends. You see, our topic for this morning is the invisible war, God's battle for the human heart, based on Revelation 12:7-9, Isaiah 14:12-14, Ezekiel 28:11-19, and Daniel chapter 10:12-14. You see, there's a war happening right now. Not one fought with weapons, but one that touches every heart. You see, the Bible calls it war in heaven. In Revelation 12 it says Michael and his angels fought against the dragon. You see, this battle began when Lucifer, once perfect angel, said in his heart, "I will be like the Most High." You see, that pride turned an angel into an enemy and harmony into rebellion. You see, in Ezekiel 28 it tells us that Lucifer's beauty corrupted his wisdom. He wanted the throne not to serve but to rule. You see, God allowed him to go because love never forces obedience. You see, that war moved from heaven to earth, and now it's fought inside each of us. You know, every time we choose between self and surrender, truth and deception, we take part in the same battle. In Daniel chapter 10, we glimpse that conflict behind the scenes, angels battling while Daniel prayed. It reminds us that prayer moves heaven and that God isn't near. God is near, even when the fight feels unseen. You see, this invisible war isn't about power, it's about love. You see, Satan's weapon is deception and God's weapon is truth. And Jesus already won the victory at the cross. So remember, you are not a spectator. You are part of the story. See, every act of faith, every prayer, every stand for truth pushes back the darkness. So when your heart belongs to Christ, He fights for you, and love always wins. Here's the main thought. See, the greatest war ever fought isn't over territory, but over truth. And your heart is the battlefield where God seeks victory through love. God bless.